everyone! Today we're going to draw Santa's little helper, an elf. I'm going to start with my elf's hat. So I'm going to create kind of like a curved rectangle here. Make sure you curve the line at the bottom too. I'm going to make my elf's hat kind of swirly at the end, and so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big line up and around, draw a little bit of a swirl here, and then we're going to go ahead and meet it with the next line. Next, we're going to draw a little face for our elf. So I'm going to draw kind of like a partial oval. So I'm going to draw his face down and around. Now for my elf, I want to add some hair for him. So I'm just going to draw some hair popping out of his hat here. You can do the same, or even if you wanted to draw a cute little female elf. You can have some different hair coming out along the sides, or add some different bangs. There. Next, I'm gonna draw my elf's ears. So elves have these cute little pointy ears. I'm gonna draw one here, coming off the side of his face. And then draw the other one on the other side. Next, I'm gonna get started on my elf's face. So I'm gonna draw some cute little round eyes for my elf. With little circles in the corner of his eye. And I'm going to add some little eyebrows. Next, I'm going to draw a cute kind of sideways oval for his nose. And then a nice little happy helper smile. Let's go ahead and get started with his outfit and his body. So I'm gonna just add a cute little collar here. And then I'm just gonna draw a real simple body for my elf. So here is one arm. And then let's go ahead and draw the other side. I'm just gonna draw 3 little fingers for his little helper hands. And then we'll finish off his jacket right here. I'm gonna add just a tiny belt for my elf. And then he's gonna just wear some little shorts. We're gonna draw some little legs in for this guy. So here we have his legs. I'm gonna do some little socks and then some boots. Same for the other side. Next, I'm gonna add 3 buttons to his jacket. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and color my elf in. I'm going to start with my green marker. For the green, I'm going to color in the top portion of his hat, and then I'm going to color in his shirt. I think his belts we're going to do brown, his pants red. But feel free to do whatever colors you want for your elf. I'm just going to do traditional green and red elf for Christmas. We're going to go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring portion. Feel free to pause if you need to. Next, I'm going to take my red marker and I'm going to color in the brim of his hat, his collar, and his pants. Next, I'm going to take my brown marker and I'm going to color in his hair, his shoes, and his belt. Next, I'm going to take my peach marker and I'm going to color in my elf's skin, which will be his face, his ears, his hands, and his legs. But you feel free to color whatever color you want your elf to be. Next, I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to color in my eyes and sharpen up my lines around my coloring areas. And there you have it, Santa's Little Helper. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.